What's up guys, welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm gonna try to make a Gunna type beat. I do have a free kit for you, a Gunna mini kit. You can go in the description or in the comments to download that. It is completely free, so I don't know why you wouldn't download it. There's some 808s, probably a little too many, but yeah, there they are. Claps, some custom loops I made for you, and I'll explain why I made those later. Hi-hats, kicks, perks, snares, and a generic snare, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna pull up a scale. I'm gonna use this one. I really like this scale, so I'm gonna use that. Let's collapse this. So my BPM 127. I feel that's the best BPM or something around that. Slower BPM just sounds nice to me. To you, whatever you think or you feel sounds good, use that. All right. So let's start off with sounds. All right, I'm gonna play these real quick and show you, and then go over, all right. All right, so this is the plugin that I'm using, Electric Sunburst. All right, as you're looking right now, you're probably like, oh, okay, this is the plugins you're using. Do not, okay, I repeat, unless you make country music, do not use this. This is trash, complete trash. I'm sorry, Native Instruments, but this is trash. Do not buy this. I wasted my money. I bought this one. I'm like, oh, okay, this one might be good. No, it's not. Only get this one. This is the best one, unless they come out with Electric Sunburst 2, then there you go. But do not buy this one. You're gonna be disappointed. All right, so the reason I'm showing you this is because you probably thought I was gonna load up a stock plugin or something and then click in some midis and be like, oh, this is how you do it. No, with guitars, bro, you're gonna need a high quality plugin. All right, because there's so many like human elements that make a guitar, right? Or a good, guitar melodies. All right, so with a piano it's different, but with a guitar you want the highest quality that you can get. All right, as you can see, you can't really mimic. Let me show you. You can't really mimic this in a MIDI that well, right? You could, but that just sounds real, right? So if you use a stock plugin, it's gonna sound synthesized. It's not gonna sound right. Now there are free plugins that you can use, but I had the money, so I bought a plugin that I wanted, right? So I'm gonna give you the template right now. Go in Google if you're really looking for something and you can't afford something free. Go on Google and say free, type free guitar, free realistic. No. How am I gonna word this? Free realistic guitar VST or plugin. You can switch out the words, okay, and something will pop up for you. So there you go. All you have to do is something free will pop up, or you can use a trial for one of these plugins, okay, and then you can just use it as much as you can before the trial is over. Simple as that. So I'm done talking. I want to get to making this melody, so that's what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do for this melody, I'm gonna click two notes like this. And if I like those two notes, I'm gonna put them together and use it. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. That is literally all I'm thinking this whole time. Okay, so I'm gonna just click something. Okay, so I like that. So really, if you break this down, these are the same exact notes, right? And then once I got this, I used it as a template. As you can see, this is the same note, right? These are the same notes. So the only different notes that I actually used is this one and this, pretty much, I guess, if you really want to be technical. All right, so I'm just using the same notes and just modifying it slightly, okay? I don't want to do it too much because then it's gonna sound too crazy. So we got a smooth melody, and all I'm gonna do to save time, and you really don't have to do too much. That melody is really enough, honestly. I'm gonna copy these, okay? That's all I'm doing, and I'll play these by themselves so you can hear it. A little cool little preset right there. So I'm gonna play this one. As you can see, they're both lacking. This one's lacking bass. This one's lacking kind of, well, I don't know. It's kind of just thin. So when you play them together, right? And I can see this. So I'm gonna render these two into waves, and I'll come right back. You know, I'll edit it and everything. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So I rendered out everything. So now it shouldn't skip anymore. So let's do the 808 now, the fun part. So I took away the scale so I can see the notes are in the background. And usually I use the bass notes or like the lower notes of the melody for my bass. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And for my 808, I'll just show you what it sounds like. Right? And this is 808 in the kit. So this is what it originally sounds like. I'm gonna just, let's see, right, like a pure 808. So I turn this envelope on, and then basically what I did, and let me reset this so you can see what it actually looked like before. All right, what I did was I just turn everything down, right, first, and then turn up the hold, and then turn the tension all the way to the left, and then I turn the attack up a bit, so it's like a swoop. All right, and that's gonna mix well with the kick as well, but it's gonna also take that kind of click away. All right, so yeah, so I'm gonna just build this melody real quick. So let's see, probably do something like this. Turn the velocity up. Oh, that was pretty easy. Okay, so there you go. All right, you could spice it up and do some extra stuff, but for this tutorial, we're just gonna keep it simple. So now let's add a kick. We could just copy this over, okay? And we can just mute this. Okay, and then put this on C. All right, and then let's add this rim. And the drums are easy. You've done this plenty of times, okay? Especially if you watched a few of my videos, you know how to do this. And to create some bounce, I'm using cowbell and kind of put it right here. Let's turn that up a bit. Actually, we can turn it up all the way. Okay, so now we're gonna do the hi-hats because you kind of want to do your hi-hats first before you do your snare. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm just, actually, let's go on 1/6 so we can do some hi-hat rolls. Let's do something like that. Let's turn this down. The hi-hats in the beat isn't, you know, they shouldn't be too high. They should be kind of low. But do what you want. So let's do this real quick. All right, that's good. I don't think we need to do any more to it. We just keep it just like that. You can add some extra stuff if you want, but for me, I'm gonna just leave that. So now I'm gonna do my snare and kind of listen to where I want to put it so it has bounce. It's not forced. Okay, so okay, so I'm gonna turn this velocity up just a little bit. Actually, that's pretty good right there. We can keep it just like that. All right, so now we're done with the beat. All right, so now all we gotta do is play the bass, and I'm gonna just pull this out and play it once. I'm gonna play the verse part, and then I don't know how exactly I'm gonna do this. Actually, let's just pull everything out. Pull everything. Okay, there we go. Pull this out right here. We can delete these. and I'm gonna just play like, this is gonna be like the verse part right here. Well, this is what I'm wanting to be the verse part. And yeah, I don't know. We can just play this. So I'm gonna play it real quick. So here you go. All right, and obviously you would add like maybe like a transition into the, you know, you would transition better into the hook and everything. But that's how you make a Gunna type beat. Stay tuned for the next day or whenever I post next, because I will be posting the arrangement like I, you know, been doing for Gunna. So stay tuned for that. You know, like, comment, subscribe if you are new. Comment, let me know what else you want to see. Make sure you like the video and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.